Well, it's been a bit of a battle, my friends. It's been up, it's been down. We were in the red, deep in the red, and then we just kept going. We kept the process going, because one thing I know is that, at the end of the day, if we start the day off and the first trade's a red trade, it happens. You're not always going to start the day like boom, big green day. It's just going to happen. You're going to have to just kind of power through those ups and the downs, and you got to just get through it. And that's exactly what we did today. We were able to power through it. We accepted the fact that, hey, we took a loss. We had two losses in a row. We're battling. At the end of the day, we got back into it. The market kind of really gave us some good setups. We were able to capitalize off momentum. And I'm going to show you guys the trades. I'm going to cut it up really quickly because there's a lot. I traded the entire day. I mean, it's 3:30 in the afternoon right now and still basically trading. So I'm going to show you guys the trades, the action, the thought process, and everything right here in this video. So make sure you stay tuned. I get short there at 97. I think this is going to dip here. See if we can't dip down to the 20 moving average down there. 5-minute candle, a little oversold on that last candle, I think. So see if we can't. That VWAP is still right there. We're below the VWAP. We've lost the VWAP as support. So, such painful. After those 3 red candles, stayed away from the short there. Oh, you gotta love it, man. You just gotta love trading. Isn't it just so much fun? Got stopped out, and then it just pulls back to my entry. Looking for at least like up here in the 112s. See if we can retest that high of day maybe. Looking for that push up here, like I said, to possibly to the highs. High of day so far here. Looking for this area. Minimum. We're looking for minimum 12 or higher. So this 15-minute candle... this 15-minute candle is getting ready to close. We're going to see where this pushes. If we can push above the 112 area, I think it's going to be a good place to add at. And see if we can't get a push up here to the 20s, 24s or higher. Make a new high of day here. Looking to see if we can get this breakout over that 12, that 112 area that I'm watching right now. We're trying. Had a little dip, push back up there pretty strong. So we'll see if we can push over that 12, that 112 area and squeeze up here to the 120s again. There we go. Over 12 now. I'm going to add a little bit there. Just going to add 1. Just to see if we can't get a push up here to the 20s or higher. Got a nice little trend holding here on the SPY right now. Looking to see if this can't reverse from here and push up to the 110s or higher. Bouncing off the EMAs, the VWAP, everything on the SPY right now looking bullish overall trends. So I think we can get a push up here. Take another contract there at 110.50 just to lock that down. That way we can at least get back to green on the day here. There. All right, so the market turning back down now. Again, kind of bouncing off that VWAP area though. So I'm a little hesitant and short here, but we'll see kind of where this 15-minute candle closes. Getting some volatility right here. Stop above this candle, high of the candle. Buyer stepping back in there pretty strong off of that area from earlier. God, if I get stopped here, I'm going to be super stoked. I'm going to jump in there long because they just are continuing to push us up. So I think we're going to push up from here now. So pushing up there now to the 108s. I want to see if I can get it push up to the a little bit higher than 108. Take some profit up there and then hold the rest. See if we can't push up there to the 115s again. And as I say that, it pulls back. Oh gosh. I love it. I don't know why I even talk sometimes. Why do I even talk? Don't talk anymore, Patrick, you idiot. Wow. Literally, as soon as I started talking, it just starts getting demolished. Someone's listening. Someone in here listening. The market's listening to me talk about where my targets are. Wow. So I literally got stopped out as soon as I started talking about where I'm taking profit at. All right, so we're reversing here. All right, so we had this downtrend. We reversed. We got this 15-minute candle just squeezing to the moon right now. So we're waiting to see where this kind of closes at, if we can push above this 115. Remember, that was resistance from earlier, so we got to think about that. Is it going to push above that 115 area here on this attempt? So we will give it a little bit of time. Well, we got about 3 seconds here, 2 seconds, 1 second to see where this pushes from here. If it pushes, the high on this candle was 1150. So we're going to see if that pushes above 1150 here, and then try to get a move up here into the 120s or higher. I'm going to jump in there. It's kind of holding the EMAs right now. I'm going to give it a little bit of room. I think this has potential to squeeze up here from this pullback and get up there above 115. Look at that thing. Just rocket ship to the 13s now. Put an order out there. Getting filled at 13. See if we can hold this last one for a push over 15s. Pushing up to that resistance area a couple times here now. Looking like she wants to just blow right through there. So I got my stop order. I put a stop there. So if this does just start to go nuts again, we're going to jump into it and try to look for a push above that 125, 124 area. There we go. I like it. I like it a lot. I want to see it all the way. New high of day. We're going to let this one ride, baby. Take a little profit there at 117. I don't want to be greedy now, Patrick. We were greedy earlier, and we really screwed the pooch. So we'll take a little bit of profit up here. And then we're going to hold these last two for a push over the high of day. That's the plan. I like that plan. I think that's a good, solid plan. Solid, very solid plan from here. Here we go. We are in the power hour here, people. We're ready to rock and roll. Let's go. Looking for this push above the 120s right now. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. Let's go. 120.19, 119.75. Pushing up there. Let's get a squeeze going. Push above the high of day today. Push above the high of day today. Taking a little profit here. Let's see. 121, push it up there. Take a little bit of profit there, 121, just to lock it down. I still got one contract left here that we can move to right above break even and see if we can't push above this 125 area today going into close. Still don't see how it's possible for this not to break over high of day. Just, I don't see how it's possible. But, you know, now that I've said that, now that I've said it, it probably won't happen. But I'm just saying, you know, I don't see how it's possible to not break high of day after this move, after this bounce. Can I get it there at 20.50? I'm going to play it smart, right? I'm not going to get filled. We got filled. I'm going to take it right there. I'm just going to take it right there. It's been a day, and it's going to go higher here. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Now, I think if we get this push over that, I mean, then it's got to go then, right? Like, we got to go then over 125. We'll see where this next 15-minute candle opens. See if we get a setup here on the 15-minute candle setup breakout thingy-majiggy. All right, so it's been holding. The SPY's been holding that 411 area here for quite some time. So I'm going to take a little scalp here. See if we can't get a little pushback up. I think it'll give us a little opportunity to still kind of just waiting to see if this is going to actually be able to squeeze above that high of day. We've got about 45 minutes here in the market to see what happens. We'll find out. All right, so the SPY's holding all right, so the SPY's holding that 411 area pretty good again. So I'm going to jump back in, see if we can't get another spike back up here to the 120s from that 114. So see if we can't get a nice little move here. Maybe get a push above that high of day. We got about 30 minutes, 35 minutes till the market close. So expecting some volatility here to see if we can't push above that high of day going into close. There you go. Beautiful. Up to the 18s already. That's what we want to see. That's what we want to see, boys and girls. Taking some profit up there. Not going to try to give back any profit today. Going to move my stop to just above break even here. See if this works out. If we can get a push above that high of day, it'll pay off nicely. Get another one there at 120.25 from our entry there at the 114. So we're cruising right now, baby. We're cruising. We're going to let this one ride. We got my stop basically $1 above my entry. And we'll see if this one can't push to high of day or more going into close. Wow, what a roller coaster of a day. We've experienced the highs, the lows. Oh, so much fun. Having a little bit of trouble there at the one. Oh, getting stopped out there again. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna see what happens after this 15-minute candle close. Got about a second, well, about a minute here. Let's see where this is gonna close at. If it's gonna push up. There you go. That 15-minute candle closing. The high on that candle, 120.25 here. So already trying to push up there. Just a little hesitant to buy this right here, but take as a profit along the way here. There we go, 122. Trying to push that high of day. Trying to push that high of day, baby. Who really knows anymore what's going to happen from here? We got it pretty darn close, though. Pretty darn close. I'm going to take a stab right there. See if we can't get a squeeze up. There we go. Taking some quick profits here. Not loving that entry being all the way up there at the top, chasing it. But we're pushing. And we're out. There we go. $275. That's going to cover commissions and fees and all that. And then we're going to walk away with probably like $250 in profits. So not bad, not bad. I'm totally fine with that. We got the push to high of day. We did what we needed to do. If you guys haven't already hit that subscribe button, the button's down below and all the buttons